Hello everyone. This is topic interpersonal relationship. Short form IPR. Definition of IPR. Interpersonal relationship. IPR are social association, connection or affiliation between two or the more people. IPR are the social association, connection are the affiliation between two or the more people. Second definition, according to the Versal and the Memjelsa concept of a relationship related to two people whose behavior in the interdependent in that a change in behavior in one is a likely to produce a change in the behavior of both are. Third, a strong bond between two or the more people refers to the interpersonal relationship. Most important is the interpersonal relationship. The one people and the two people in relation depend on behavior. Interpersonal relationship. Form of the IPR. First point, individual working together in a organization. Individual working together in a organization. Second point, people working in the some theme. Example, work hard in people. Just way one human in working in out area, and just two people communication in most important and behavior most important in communication skills. Third point, love relationship. Example, love relationship, maintain your love relationship behavior. Maintain behavior in IPR. Fourth point, family relationship. Family relation maintain IPR. Fifth, relationship between a child is the parents. Relationship between the child is parents. Most important, children and the parents relationship in IPR. Interpersonal relationship in most important, child and father and mother and daughter. 6 point, relationship between friends. Obviously, friends relationship is compulsory IPR. Maintain an IPR friends circle. Characteristics of an IPR. Characteristics interpersonal relationship. Characteristics IPR chart. Common goals and the effectivity. First, honesty relationship. Trust is most important relationship. Other relationship, example, brother and sister, mother and father and daughter, etc. Attachment, transparency. Common goals and the effective, honest, trust, attachment or transparency. Honesty is most important workers and pupils. First, common goals. Common goals. Individuals in a IPR shows have more or the less similar interest and the time on the some lines. Individual in a IPR, interpersonal relationship, shows have more or the less similar interest and the thing on the some lines. Second, trust. Individual in the interpersonal relationship must respect each other views and the opinions. Trust. Individual in a interpersonal relationship must respect each other views and opinion. Third, attachment. What is attachment? Mother and father and daughter and mother maintain your relationship in attachment. Individual must be the attached to each other for a healthy IPR. Fourth, transparent and the honest. Transparent and honest. Transparent plays are the pivotal role in the IPR. Our relationship revolve care and trust. Commitment and care. Stages in our IPR. Count to the firm's psychologist Garage Haverages. Every relationship goes through following 5 stages. First stage, acquaintance. Second stage, the build up stage. Third stage continuation stage. Fourth stage, deterioration. Fifth stage, the termination stage. This 5 stages in interpersonal relationship. This is the most important in my life interpersonal relationship. Thank you guys.